Alright, over here we got Micheal J. in Teen Wolf. Classic movie. Haven't seen it, always wanted to see it. But yeah, Teen Wolf. Okay, opening credits starring James Hampton. No, it's starring Micheal J. Who's James Hampton? Scott Paulin? Susan? Who are these people? Jerry Levine. The fuck? This isn't a scary movie. Why is this scary music playing? Jesus Christ. Why are the opening credits so long? Okay, we got the cast. Alright, casting by Paul Ventura. Jesus Christ, just go to the movie. What is this? Why are the opening credits so long? These are opening credits, not closing credits. Okay, we got Micheal J. here. Before he has that Micheal J. syndrome. And damn, he is sweating. He is sweating like a motherfucker. This is back in the... Are they playing in Rockets? This is back in the day when there's just white people playing basketball. Notice there's no black people on the court. No black people. Okay, he's shooting the ball. It's slow motion. He missed. Oh look, there's a black guy. This movie came out in 1985. Of course, look at the black guy dominating. Black guy probably has like all the scene's points. Who's that bitch? Beavers, visitors. I'm watching this in HD.
You guys suck. No, really?
They suck.
You're looking good. Way to go. Nothing to worry about. Fine. No problem.
Whoa, that kid's fat. Number 55, that's fat. He's fat.
Yeah, how would you know, Styles? You want to forfeit the game? Yeah. No.
This team sucks. Wait, is that Mel Gibson? That's Alan Thicke? I think it's Alan Thicke. Why am I filming this? Jesus Christ.